This is the Visual Performance and Evaluation Lab, where we basically simulate daylight. We have 270 metal halide lights firing up in the dome. We have a 30-foot reflecting dome.
We have bank gantry of lights that simulate direct sun, so we can move that around into the vehicle so that we can angle it in for any condition that you may be on the road and experience sun coming in.
And we can move that up and down just like the sun rises and sets. We bring vehicles in here to be tested for interior legibility, glare evaluations, evaluations of reflections.
We do virtual simulations and they give us a baseline of where to set our designs and what we might see in a vehicle. We're now moving into the lab and actually doing the testing gives us the next steps.
We set up the vehicle, we set up the lighting condition, we set the photometer inside the vehicle, we point the photometer at each component that we want to test. We take the picture, we analyze the picture, and then we make our determination.
We've seen great improvements with what we produce as components out for the customer, giving them what I would call kind of a bling in a vehicle because the illumination's like a jewel, and giving it to them without being too distracting.
Before we had this lab, what we would have to do is wait for a sunny day outside to do these kind of evaluations. And being in Michigan, that can be very problematic. This lab gives us real-world kind of simulation so that the data that comes out of it is obviously more representative of the real world.